Today, I'll walk you through how to create a button slicer in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a button slicer so you can enhance your data visualization experience. Let's start by opening your Power BI dashboard. If you have Power BI open, you should see your workspace ready for action. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Next, navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to create stunning visuals. Look for the Slicer New icon, which resembles a slicer widget adorned with a small lightning bolt or star badge. Click it to add it to your canvas. Now it's time to drag your desired field into the field well of the visual. This could be any category relevant to your data, such as category, region, or status. This step is crucial as it defines what your button slicer will filter. With your slicer visual in place, let's customize the layout and columns to suit your needs. Select your new slicer visual to make it active. Once selected, open the Format Visual pane. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor the appearance of your slicer. Under the Visual section, look for Layout. Here you can choose the orientation of your buttons, either horizontal or vertical. Depending on your design preference, select what works best for your dashboard. Next, adjust the rows and column settings. Set the maximum number of rows and columns to automatically grid your buttons. For instance, you might opt for 1 row and 4 columns to create a sleek top toolbar feel. This arrangement enhances usability and aesthetics. Lastly, consider the overflow settings. This option dictates how extra buttons behave when they exceed the defined space. You can choose between continuous scroll or paging, depending on how you want users to interact with the slicer. And there you have it. You've successfully created a button slicer in Power BI. This feature not only makes your dashboard more interactive, but also provides users with a seamless way to filter data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.